Welcome the our channel. Today we how to set up Google Nest Cam, quick install step by step clearly. Unbox your Google Nest Cam and ensure all components are present. Locate the power adapter and the mounting hardware. Determine the ideal placement for your camera. For outdoor use, choose a location that has a clear view while being sheltered from direct rain. For indoor use, find an area that covers your desired view. If you're mounting the camera, use the provided template to mark drilling points. Drill holes where you marked and insert the anchors. Attach the mounting bracket to the wall using screws. Connect the camera to the power adapter. Plug the power adapter into a nearby outlet. Turn on your camera if it doesn't power on automatically. Download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. Tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Setup Device and then choose New Devices. Once the camera is detected, follow the in-app instructions to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Allow the camera to connect, which may take a moment. Once connected, you can customize your camera settings. Assign the camera a name that helps you identify its location. Set up motion detection and any alerts you wish to receive. Adjust the camera's angle if needed for the best view. Test the camera feed within the app to ensure everything is working. Securely fasten the camera in place if you have adjusted its position. Explore additional features like recording options and sharing access with family. Your Google Nest Cam is now set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.